Hey everybody, welcome back to Budget Boss. Today we're going to be closing out the cold season with a delicious cast iron treat, and that's going to be a classic chicken pot pie. This pot pie was absolutely incredible, easy to make, and super affordable. So before we get into this recipe, make sure you guys like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and you hit that notification bell. Alright, so before we get started on this recipe, let's make sure that we refill our pellets. If that hopper is empty while we are cooking, you will have some issues with the temperature. Now, let's get this cast iron going. I got my Pit Boss cast iron. You can get one yourself at pitboss-grills.com. I made sure that I buttered it up nice and excessively. This time, I'm gonna say you can't do too much butter. So now that we got the butter in there, we are gonna be laying one piece of puff pastry. This is a 10 by 15 inch sheet puff pastry cut in half, and I lay them on top of each other at the bottom. I then take a fork and I proof these so that way it doesn't bubble up. Then I'm gonna take 1 can of cream of chicken soup, a half a cup of heavy cream, Pit Boss rub, a half an ounce of fresh chopped thyme, and we're gonna mix it all up. Once that mixture is nice and fluid, everything's nice and blended together. And then a 12-ounce bag of mixed vegetables, 1 pound of pulled or chopped chicken breasts, half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Then we're gonna do this right here. We're gonna be folding it over each other. You don't wanna try to mix it up. You wanna make sure you fold it over each other so that way everything blends together perfectly. It should look something like this. Now let's take our cast iron with our puff pastry in the bottom, and we're just gonna fill it up with this mixture that we made. We're gonna flatten it out on the surface, and then we're gonna place our puff pastry on the top. Cut the 2 remaining sheets of puff pastry into 20 pieces, 1 by 15 inch strips. We're gonna weave the puff pastry strips over the top of the pot pie and trim the extra pastry away from the outside of the cast iron. I then took my egg and water, created an egg wash, and then just brushed it on top lightly like this. We preheat our Pit Boss grill to 425 degrees. We place the pot pie on the upper rack of the grill or vertical and allow them to bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the puff pastry is golden brown. We're gonna remove it from the grill and then allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. It's gonna continue to cook, so this puff pastry is gonna continue to rise. We don't want to burn the bottom of it, so it looks a little dull when we initially pull it out of the smoker. When we're done, we just place it on this table right here and give yourself some time for it to rest, 10 to 15 minutes. And there we go, guys. We have ourselves a super quick and simple chicken pot pie. Picture ready. Let's place it into our bowl and then let's get to eating. Make sure you guys try out this recipe before the winter ends. Make sure you like, subscribe, and you hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on Budget Boss.